Good afternoon. The time is 1 p.m. August 27, Friday 2021. Breaking news. Dele Momodu reveals shocking details on Tinubu's health, contradicts Tinubu's aid. The news in details. The Ovation International publisher Dele Momodu had disclosed that the national leader of the All Progressive Congress, APC, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, underwent a knee surgery. Momodu stated that Tinubu is in the UK to recover from the operation. In an Instagram post confirming the visit of Governor Rotimi Akeredolu and Kayode Fayemi of Ondo and Ekiti State respectively to see the former Lagos governor, Momodu wrote, Governors Rotimi and Akeredolu and Kayode Fayemi jetted out of Lagos last night to visit former governor of Lagos State, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who is currently recuperating from a knee surgery in London. This, however, contradicts a statement released last month by Tunde Rahman, Tinubu's media aide. Rahman had said he is not in any hospital. He has no medical problem that would require hospitalization. Also, Eniola Badmus, an actress, also said Tinubu will not die until he is 230 years old. However, the publisher of Ovation International, Dele Momodu, has shed light more on the medical trip of the national leader of All Progressive Congress, Bola Tinubu. He further stated that the APC leader is in the United Kingdom to recover from the operation that he actually did. Recall that President Muhammadu Buhari, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, Muiz Banire, and many others have paid the former Lagos State Governor a visit in the UK. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State has said that the national leader of the All Progressive Congress, APC, is ill and hearty in London, the United Kingdom. The governor, who spoke to journalists on Wednesday in Lagos, said he made the trip and shared the photos with the APC leader to dispel the rumors about his ill health. Yes, indeed, I am the one you saw in the picture that I took when I visited our leader in London, just to dispel all of the rumors that were flying around that the APC leader was sick and hospitalized. Mr. Sanwo-Olu said, according to a statement by his chief press secretary, Boyega Akosile. According to the statement, the governor spoke to the journalist a few hours after he returned from London. Speculations about Mr. Tinubu's health reached a fever pitch last weekend after his conspicuous absence at the party's World Congress in Lagos. The former Lagos governor was also missing during the local government elections in the state's penultimate Saturday. In the past Saturday, Tunde Rahman, Mr. Tinubu's media aide, issued a statement maintaining that his principal was not in a hospital abroad or had any medical problem that would require hospitalization. And on Tuesday, photos of Governor Sanwo-Olu and Mr. Tinubu in London were circulated on social media by persons loyal to the APC as part of efforts to allay fears of the APC leader's infirmity. You saw him, Tinubu, he is well and is healthy, and we conversed. We talked about what is happening in our party, what is happening in the nation, and just to say to him that all is well, Mr. Sanwo-Olu continued. I went to see things for myself. It is just to put the mind and heart of people to rest that there is nothing for us to worry about, the governor disclosed. When asked when Mr. Tinubu would likely return to Nigeria, Governor Sanwo-Olu said only the APC leader could answer that. A man has no discretion as to decide when to go out of the country and when to return. It is his call. And this was the statement of Governor Sanwo-Olu after returning from the trip on paying visit to the APC leader, Ahmed Bola Tinubu. The time is 1:20 p.m. Good afternoon. The analysis. Dele Momodu, who happens to be a publisher of Ovation International and also as a one-time presidential candidate, actually shed some light of recent about the health status of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the national leader of the All Progressive Congress. Some months back, there have been a lot of fears on the social media platform and all over that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is actually having some health issues. But his loyalists and some other people in the party have actually disregarded and debunked this rumor that he is ill and healthy. Also, his media aide, Tinubu's media aide, Tunde Rahman, actually came on Instagram some couple of weeks back and said that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not in any hospital and he has no medical problem that would require hospitalization. Also, Governor Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State actually paid a visit to Bola Tinubu, of which he shared some couple of pictures and photos, and also disregarded all rumors that Bola Ahmed Tinubu has any health challenges. However, the publisher of Ovation International, Dele Momodu, has actually disclosed that the former governor of Lagos State and the national leader of the All Progressive Congress, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, actually underwent a knee surgery, which is actually contradicting the news from the media aide of Bola Tinubu and also that of Governor Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State. And this has actually hit the social media and becoming a different story from what we have had before, and yet the citizens are yet to know the actual truth of what is going on. Because some time ago, President Muhammadu Buhari himself and also Muiz Banire and some others paid the Lagos State governor a courtesy visit. And as at the time that Governor Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State visited the APC national leader, he was asked that when was the national leader going to come back from his trip, and he responded to them that they can actually see that Tinubu is well. He elderly conversed with him, and that the only person that knows when he's going to come back is himself, that nobody can talk about his return back to Nigeria for now, except if Tinubu on his own discretion wishes to come back anytime soon. However, some time ago, the Sahara reported that Tinubu is hospitalized in Maryland, US, where his health is falling, that he could not attend some congresses that he've done in the past, and he had a surgery, which they debunked, where they said that sometimes in January 2021, he was reported sick and hospitalized in Paris, France. Tinubu had earlier complained of some exhaustion after he had traveled out, and he was flown to Paris for medical attention in the first week of January as well. Tinubu was in Paris as at then, and his health was deteriorating. Old age and some other stuffs were actually reported by Sahara reporters to be the case as at then. But everything as said by all these media platforms were disregarded and debunked by the APC administration. But here is the Dele Momodu, the Ovation publisher, disregarding such news.